How to fix attestation requirement not meet after BIOS update in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4. First step, check whether your disk is GPT. Search for disk management. Click it. Right click disk. Click properties. Click volume. Check for partition style. It should be GPT. If it MB or means, don't simply change BIOS settings to UEFI. Your Windows installation may need to be converted from MB or to GPT first. It's important settings. First you need to convert MB or to GPT, then we move on with next step. So make sure it. So once converting, after you need to restart your device. After restart, move on with next step. Run activation attestation wizard. Download the attestation wizard from attestation official support page. Click it and download it. Once downloading, after you need to extract it. Once the download complete, after click it and extract it. Click run scan. Click run scan and look for result. Scan completed. The attestation requirement not meet. So after checking the result, move on with next step. Check TPM version you have. Open run and type the following text tpm.msc. Type it and click OK. Check the status of TPM. It should be ready for use and the specification version is 2.0. And also check the manufacturer name and version. Once checking, after if the TPM 2.0 is not present, means restart your PC and enter BIOS UEFI. Press delete F2, F10 or F12, depends on the device, it may vary. If Intel means you need to enable PTT or platform trust technology or security device support. If AMD means you need to enable AMD FTPM or AMD CUP FTPM or firmware TPM. Then move on with next step. Enable secure boot. Open run and type the following text msinfo32. System information page will appear. In this you need to check for BIOS mode. It should be UEFI and the secure boot state. It should be in on state. If secure boot off means enter BIOS, enable secure boot and also need to disable CSM, legacy boot and legacy BIOS. Thank you.